Good afternoon and welcome back to the Humidor Report. My word, has it been a long time since we've got to do this, but we are super excited to finally be back with you guys. We hope everyone has stayed healthy and stayed well and stayed smoky through this last year and a half now of just all sorts of craziness. But we did want to get back with you and at least let you guys know that we haven't forgotten about y'all out there, that we all are still here, and we do have some more content finally getting back in the pipeline and coming your way. Today is mostly just a kind of a welcome back for those of us who are new to the channel or new to the videos here and haven't seen them before. Welcome. This is something that we've been doing for quite a long time. Started in Lake Charles. We did it on our Cigar Club Facebook page in Lake Charles, and once we moved over here and got Cigar Club Southeast Texas open, we started the YouTube channel. And unfortunately, just due to schedules, conflicts, and the whole universe being on its ear, we just have not been able to really get together and put the time in and do the videos like we used to do. So now that things are finally starting to work their way back towards some sense of normalcy, we at least wanted to get back here and give everybody a shout out who's been patient, everybody who's come in the store here and asked us, what about the videos? When are the videos coming back? Guys, we're here, we're back, we're doing it. As far as frequency goes now, I still like the idea of trying to do something once a week. We'll have to see how that pans out right now. It might be a little less frequent right now as we get things back together. But we're going to have plenty of stuff to talk about. There's so much that has happened here, even new product that's come and gone since we at least last had a chance to sit down and do a video for you guys. But there's some new faces in the Humidor that weren't here for sure last time we did this. You can see quite a number of those in front of me right now. Alec Bradley in the house. Y'all asked for it. We got it. Things are doing well, so we do expect to be seeing more Alec Bradley here. We do have, finally, JFR. So some of the Aganorsa leaf, or Casa Fernandez, if you're more familiar with that name than Aganorsa. Aganorsa is the new name. That's what the name of the factory and the company is now. But we've got JFR. We've had some of the Guardian of the Farm product in here in the past, if you're familiar with that. Well, that would be from these guys. So do expect to see more from Aganorsa. Expect to see more from Alec Bradley as well. And expect to see some Humidor reports on those, since we haven't had a chance to go in depth with any of these blends or any of the lines themselves to talk about them. So we've got content. We've got some new cool stuff to talk about and some new cool stuff on the way. Limited edition stuff like the Solomon Unicos that we have here from LFD. This isn't a new product, but it is a once a year thing. If you want to talk about cigar art, some of these things are just absolutely breathtaking. The artisanship that's actually against that Candela wrapper leaf that's got a brown leaf of a man smoking a cigar. They've just gorgeous pieces. So we've gotten some neat stuff like this. We finally have Aroa Dark back for all you Aroa fans, and if you know us, you know we are big fans of Aroa's product. So the Aroa Dark is one that they're only releasing in limited quantities, and as I understand it, that they've even had to either reduce production on some other lines or maybe even get rid of some sizes on some other lines to make sure they had enough Ligero leaf to keep this line in production. So there was a slight increase to the Aroa Dark because of that. But all in all, still I think one of the best offerings we've gotten from Christian Eiroa and from Tabacalleros Unidas. So I'm thrilled to have them back. How long they're going to last just depends. They're moving real well, and we did get more than normal, but we still only have so many of them available until that next shipment comes. And we'll find plenty of other great things to talk about in here as well. Getting back into the realm of events. We don't have anything as far as in-house events put together yet. We actually do have, as far as a hosted event being something we have a rep or something like that, but we do have some in-house promotions that we've been working on and kicking some ideas around. Hopefully some of those are going to be starting very soon. One I think I'm probably going to start with our next video. So the next legitimate Humidor report that we have back is probably going to be introducing a really nice giveaway. If not, stay tuned, because it will be coming soon. But we did want to take a chance to let you know that we all miss y'all. We all miss being here and doing these videos for you guys. It's been great to see everybody here still making their way into the shop, and we do appreciate everybody that's asked us about the videos and missed them and showed some interest in having them back. So we are really happy to be back doing this again with you guys, and we do hope to keep this going on as frequently and as long as we possibly can. So big thanks again always to Cameron Cook. He's the guy behind the camera, the guy who does all the editing, who does all the good stuff to make this thing happen besides me sitting over here and running my mouth for 5 to 10 minutes. So glad we were able to get Cameron back over here and get back on this. He actually has some new stuff in the pipeline too. We'll be teasing that here in the days to come. Some other good YouTube-y things if you want to see what else my other counterpart here on the Humidor Report does. He's got some cool stuff in the pipeline that he'll be doing as well, and we'll be sure to tell you guys about that once that gets up and going. So for now, I guess that's going to wrap up this welcome back edition. I'm looking forward to doing this and finding some new neat stuff to talk to you guys about. So do make sure, if you haven't, if you're watching us here on YouTube, make sure you subscribe, turn on the chime, turn on your notifications so you know when we got a new video coming up. And stay tuned because we do have some really cool stuff coming up for you here in the days to come. So that's going to wrap it up for this edition. Thanks again for tuning in. We will see you back here hopefully next week. And until then, I'm Justin. We'll see you at the club.